Hey everyone, Matthew Jones from Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings. We got a 2024 VW Atlas in the shop, and we're gonna be doing some ceramic coating work on the wheels and the windshield, as well as the painted surfaces. I'm gonna show you, I got a couple areas that need to be polished from the factory and some adhesive to be removed, and we're gonna come check it out right now. Okay, with all of our new vehicles, the first thing we do, of course, is we wash it, and you'll see us cleaning the wheels and foam cannon on the car. We're also gonna do some iron decontamination as well as a light clay bar. And the reason we do the iron decontamination and the clay bar is because we wanna remove any contaminants that have embedded itself into the paint, which may prevent the coating from bonding or cause an issue with like little mini rust spots in the case of the iron decontamination. So we're gonna do all of that, and then we're gonna get to polishing. Okay, all vehicles coming from the factory typically have some issue. There was a giant piece of adhesive here from shipping. We removed that with Rapid Tac Rapid Remover, and all these links will be in the description. But we use Rapid Tac Rapid Remover to remove that. And then we have some like linear scratches and stuff right here along this side of the hood, like maybe somebody was leaning over it at the dealership. So we're gonna use our Flex cordless polisher, a Rupus pad, and Sonax cut and finish, and we're gonna cut these swirls out, or these scratches out, and then we're gonna get ready to start ceramic coating. And I would say typically most vehicles require at least some polishing, which is why we do spot polish for free as part of all of our packages. Okay, we actually ended up switching back to a heavy cut pad because the medium cut pad wasn't taking the scratches out as much as I'd like. So we got the scratches pretty much gone, and now we're gonna use a product called Acrosol to remove all oils and the remaining contaminants or oils or whatever from the surface of the vehicle, and that allows us to prep for ceramic coating. And of course, we also spend a lot of time drying the car off. We don't want water leaking out onto the ceramic coating right after we install it, so you'll see that coming up. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start coating this car, and you'll see me coating and then coming back and leveling it. All right, so what we're doing here, we've applied ceramic coating to these wheels, and so we're gonna wipe off the excess coating, and then we're gonna coat the windshield, which will repel rain, water, as well as make bug guts on the windshield easier to clean. Okay, so you see how nice this 2024 VW Atlas came out with our ceramic coating. We put a 5-year package on here, plus wheels and glass. So we're completely protected against bug guts and dirt. And we're gonna send this off to the client. Come check how good it looks.